Our mission is to prevent suicide and ensure the healthy development of all youth through powerful communication and education on gender and orientation. We are grateful to be a recipient of this year's Florida Blue Foundation Award. Our team recently went to Orlando, where Yes Institute was recognized for 28 years of ongoing efforts across the state of Florida. Thank you, Florida Blue Foundation, for investing $50,000 towards our life-saving programs. Yes Institute led our first hybrid course in our office and simultaneously on Zoom. Folks from across the country participated in our Deciphering Gender and Orientation course. One participant shared what this course provided for them. I was given the opportunity to hear and experience different perspectives from participants when it comes to orientation, identity, and beliefs. It helped me think more critically about situations that pertain to gender and orientation. Yes Institute provides guidance and expertise to healthcare executives and public health leaders on gender and orientation appropriate patient care, with the aim to reduce health disparities and reduce barriers to care. We thank our partners, including the South Florida American College of Healthcare Executives, the Florida Suicide Prevention Conference, Nicholas Children's Hospital, and the first-year medical students at the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine for requesting Yes Institute workshops to ensure all patients are served respectfully. Yes Institute is requested for community support and guidance for young people and their families in Florida school communities. Thanks to Miami-Dade County Public Schools, 140 school counselors took a journey of self-discovery and unwrapped the layers around mental health, gender stereotyping, and academic outcomes, overcoming teenage social media addiction, and examining promising practices to empower students to succeed in life. We also thank the Broward County Public Schools for inviting us to participate at their School Psychology and Counselors Conference, and Citrus Family Cares Network for asking us to present to the foster care system in Miami-Dade County. We also thank the University of Miami graduate counseling students for inviting Yes Institute as a resource in their field of work. Youth leaders invited us to facilitate conversations around bullying, resilience, and leadership. We appreciate the opportunity to share our knowledge with Miami Senior High School, Miami Community Charter School, and our community partners at Mosaic Miami and Breakthrough Miami during their Building Bridges conference, where we are supporting their youth development as leaders on a community-based gender and orientation wellness initiative. Yes Institute was invited by the Center for Children and Youth Justice in Seattle and by the National Park Service park personnel from Everglades, Big Cypress, and Biscayne Bay to facilitate a dialogue on psychological safety in the workplace. A supervisor with the National Park Services expressed deep gratitude for this conversation and reminded folks that it is important to be uncomfortable, especially in moments of growth. Research shows that productivity increases and disasters are mitigated by having company culture that allows for a highly psychological safe space. Personnel find themselves being more authentic, feeling safe, and able to grow in a professional environment that promotes psychological safety. The Greater Miami Convention and Visitors Bureau recently requested one of our corporate training sessions for multiple leaders in the hospitality and tourism industry in Miami at Super Blue Miami. We thank the leaders who took time to inquire about creating more welcoming and affirming experiences for their guests and staff. Vizcaya Museum and Gardens invited our team to lead a neurodiversity awareness and best practices presentation to their volunteer guides. One participant shared, "I was a special ed teacher for 40 years. I expected to learn nothing or not much when I saw this on our training schedule. I walked in with low expectations, but I learned things I didn't get to learn in all my 40 years of teaching. We encounter all walks of life at Vizcaya, and I found this so valuable and helpful. Thank you." To request a dialogue or course for your organization or community, please email us at info@yesinstitute.org.